Ding dong, your pizza's here. What's up, guys? It's Super Donkey Kong Matthew coming to another video in today's video. Hold on.
It's cool to the touch, even though it's hot outside. Can we go outside? No. Okay, let's move on to weather stripping. Oh, yeah.
So I'm gonna be showing y'all how to, when your phone is like it doesn't turn on, your Samsung Galaxy S4 when it doesn't turn on like mine. You just gotta get the case off somehow. That pop off. See, like that. What? Okay. And then just gotta get the battery out. So get the battery out. Put the battery right back in where it was. And then just gotta slide it back in. Push it in all the way. Now just hold the volume, the home, and the power button at one time. And it's going to work. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going to work. I think. I've tried it before. Yep, it works. But yeah, so that's going to be the end of Super Donkey Kong Matthew's video. Peace, my bros, blah, blah, blah. And that's how you fix your problem to when your Samsung Galaxy S4 does not turn on. So, peace, my bros, blah, blah.